Hey everyone, and welcome to the Health Flow Hub YouTube channel. If you think strength training is just for bodybuilders, think again. It's time to forget those old ideas and discover the amazing benefits for people of all ages. In this video, we'll explore how great strength training is for everyone, from teens to grandparents. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what strength training actually means. We're talking about any exercise that makes your muscles work against something heavy. This could be your own body weight, weights like dumbbells and barbells, resistance bands, or even those cool cable machines you see at the gym. The best part about strength training is that it's not just about getting big muscles. It's about building functional strength, the kind that helps you do everyday things more easily. Whether you're lifting heavy weights or using your own body weight, remember it's all about challenging your muscles and getting stronger every day. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Let's talk about bone health for a minute, something we often forget about. As we get older, our bones naturally get weaker, making them easier to break. But here's the good news. Strength training can help. When you challenge your muscles, they pull on your bones, making them grow stronger and denser. By adding strength training to your routine, you can help keep your bones strong and healthy for years to come. And that means more freedom to move, explore, and enjoy life to the fullest. Ready to burn those calories? Strength training is a secret weapon when it comes to boosting your metabolism and building lean muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even when you're resting. So the more muscle you build, the more calories you'll burn naturally. Building lean muscle also gives you that toned and sculpted look, improves your body composition, and helps you feel strong and confident. So, ditch those endless hours of cardio and add some strength training to your routine. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start to see and feel the difference. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: the amazing mental benefits of strength training. When you do strength training, your brain releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. It's like a natural antidepressant. Strength training has also been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, helping you feel calmer and more focused. It's like a workout for your brain, helping to improve memory, focus, and overall brain health. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or anxious, hit the gym and lift some weights. Your brain will thank you for it. Balance might not be something you think about much when you're younger, but it's super important for staying independent and preventing falls as we age. And guess what plays a key role in improving balance and stability? You got it? Strength training. By strengthening the muscles in your legs, core, and back, you create a strong foundation of support for your body. This improves stability, helps you stay upright and steady on your feet, whether you're walking on uneven surfaces or simply going down the stairs. So, whether you're a pro athlete or just starting your fitness journey, don't forget those balance and stability exercises. They're essential for staying agile, mobile, and injury-free. Living with a chronic condition can be tough, but strength training can be a powerful tool for managing symptoms and improving your overall health. For people with arthritis, strength training can help reduce joint pain and stiffness by strengthening the muscles around the joints, providing better support and reducing inflammation. If you're dealing with diabetes, strength training can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Of course, it's always essential to talk to your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any health conditions. One of the best things about strength training is that it's truly for everyone, no matter your age, fitness level, or experience. For young people, strength training helps build a strong foundation for a lifetime of health and fitness. It helps bones grow strong, improves coordination, and sets the stage for a positive relationship with exercise. For adults, strength training helps fight the natural loss of muscle mass that happens as we age, keeping you feeling strong, energetic, and capable. And for seniors, it's never too late to start. Strength training helps maintain independence, prevents falls, and improves overall quality of life. So, are you ready to unleash your inner strength and experience the amazing benefits of strength training? Awesome! Let's talk about how to get started safely and effectively. If you're new to strength training, it's always a good idea to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks are a great place to begin. As you get stronger, you can add resistance with dumbbells, resistance bands, or weight machines. The key is to focus on proper form to avoid injuries. If you're not sure about proper technique, don't hesitate to ask a certified personal trainer for help. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, working different muscle groups. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of strength training for people of all ages. It's not just about building big muscles, it's about building a stronger, healthier, more resilient you. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned athlete, make strength training a regular part of your routine and watch as you unlock your full potential, both physically and mentally. Remember, your strength is your superpower. Now go out there and unleash it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, and share your favorite strength training exercise in the comments below.